Welcome to Is MetaMask Wallet Safe? Usage Experience. Links to MetaMask are included in the description below. MetaMask is one of the most widely used cryptocurrency wallets, known for its seamless integration with decentralized applications, dApps, and Ethereum-based tokens. But is it safe? MetaMask is a non-custodial wallet, meaning you have complete control over your private keys, which never leave your device. This ensures that only you can access your funds. It uses industry-standard encryption to protect your wallet and includes a recovery phrase feature, which is crucial for restoring access in case of device loss. One of MetaMask's key strengths is its browser extension and mobile app, enabling users to manage assets, interact with blockchain networks, and connect with dApps effortlessly. It supports multiple blockchains, including Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Polygon, making it ideal for DeFi enthusiasts and NFT collectors. Security features include a customizable password, biometric login for mobile, and the ability to create multiple accounts for specific purposes. However, the wallet does have some risks. Since it operates as a hot wallet, it's always connected to the internet, which can expose it to potential phishing attacks and malware. MetaMask users must be vigilant about safeguarding their recovery phrase and only accessing trusted sites to avoid scams. The wallet does not have native two-factor authentication, 2FA, which some users may find concerning. MetaMask is best suited for users who are comfortable managing their own security and want a powerful tool for interacting with the decentralized ecosystem. Beginners should take extra care to educate themselves about safe practices. The wallet's open-source nature allows for transparency, with its code reviewed and improved by the community. In conclusion, MetaMask is a secure wallet when used responsibly. Its features and flexibility make it a favorite among crypto and Web3 enthusiasts, but it requires user vigilance to maximize safety. If you're looking to explore the decentralized world, MetaMask is a trusted gateway. Links are in the description. Start your journey today.